Most fifth wheels you're going to come in contact with give you a 2-inch thick sidewall. The brand spanking new Camping World exclusive Forest River Mesquite gives you one that's 3 inches thick. And that's just where it begins. Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. Welcome to the all-new Forest River Mesquite. This is the 3850 HBRK. You're looking at half bath, rear kitchen. Coach comes in at just over 42 feet, and you're looking at a dry weight of, get this, 13,700 pounds with 3-inch thick sidewalls. How did they do it? I don't know, but they also gave you a 12-inch monster frame, which we're going to talk about once we get outside. But this couples coach features a ton of space, upgraded amenities, and with that 3-inch thick sidewall, you're going to get better cooling, better heat retention, way less noise. And to help you with that cooling, they're going to give you not one, not two, but three 18,000 BTU ACs that you can run all at the same time, because these are the Furion Chill Cubes. So they soft start at roughly 11K. So even if you plug into a 30-amp service, you can at least run two at the same time, because that's only going to pull 22 amps. Love the fact that they have that. And it's also remote control. But what do you say we start right back here in this beautiful kitchen of this half bath coach? Now, solid surface countertops, undermounted sink, pull-down sprayer, framed-out windows, Roman shades, frosted glass that's actually beveled, and pewter pulls on my, I like that, hidden hinges, my decorative white shaker-style cabinets. The thing that touched me about this coach, and you let me know what you think in the comments down below, I loved the flow. I love the color flow from the dark down below, almost the natural wood look, to the subway tile going almost all the way up to the top, and the white accents. It just looks clean. It looks residential. And more importantly, it feels residential. Tons of storage options in this coach too, including pull-out shelves in your pantry. Got a little spot right here for all of your scrubbers. Spot for my trash can down there. But my trash can is actually over here. You got the reinforced 50-pound drawers on these. These are all full extension on drawer guides. And when we're talking residential, you got the 1.3 cubic foot convection microwave above your 4-burner cooktop with the 24-inch ceramic lined contour oven. Big fan of contour, even bigger fan of that oven there. And the space alone just lends itself to me wanting to do some camp cooking in that Texas, Arizona, Louisiana, Kansas heat, where it's going to be 120 outside, but my 3-inch thick sidewalls are going to keep this coach nice and cool on the inside. When I'm ready for a cold beverage, over here on the campsite, I got myself a 16 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator with the double doors. Big fan of that because it just looks residential. More importantly, it's better than the Whirlpool that I have at home, which the ice maker keeps freaking breaking on, and I can't even afford one of these things. So what do? I buy myself a little tabletop ice maker, which, oh, by the way, you have outside. More storage here, more pullouts there. And because this is a couples coach where you have your freestanding decorative dinette with the butcher block topper, I got the chairs, which we do have more of those. I just pulled out the 2 right here. But look at the space and flow that you have. You're not going to find this floor plan anywhere else. Ceiling fan, decorative LED sconce, ducted air work here too. And what Mesquite has done with their air work is they put the thermoplastic duct joiners in the ductwork, because a lot of times, because it's just foam, those ducts will collapse. So you have cold air just beating against a blockage. Opens it up. Then they have a plenum inside the vents that's not only going to help give you 60% more effective cooling, it's going to make sure that that cyclone effect doesn't pull the hot air back up. Because when I'm sitting here at my office space with storage, wireless charging, looking out my huge windows with the cloth curtains framed out, I got to be cool. And I'm going to tell you now, you look cool in this. But you know where you really going to look cool? Let me show you. Yeah, that's right. I'm chilling like Dr. Freeze. What you got for me? Nothing. Because my windows, they got gas. Not like the gas that would come off of my Mesquite smoker, but they have argon gas. You're looking at double paned windows, which is an exclusive with Forest River and Lippert just for the Mesquites. That's not only going to give you better sound dampening, that's going to give you roughly 3.6 R value, where single pane is only 1. Now you're looking at over 350% more effectiveness when it comes to protecting the cool inside the coach. You got the chaise lounge right here with the recliners, storage underneath, free floating shelf if you needed even more additional workspace, a little storage space up here with some cubbies, remote control for my one of 3 ACs, HVAC controls for my heater, which by the way is a 35K BTU, and the AC controls for my mid AC. So the mid AC, I like what they did here. In the bedroom and in the back, you got the 18K remotes that are ducted. The mid is just a straight dump. So you could cut this on and cool this whole area without having to run multiple ACs. But I'm seated across a 65-inch TV over a almost 5,000 BTU fireplace, multi-flame setting, multi-light setting, and yes, it's on the televator. How cool is that? Not only will you look cool watching TV, you'll stay cool with the insulation, and you'll be able to see cool programs, probably from outer space with how big this freaking TV is. Now, HBRK half bath rear kitchen, I'm gonna call it hunk of bunk really cool, because here's my half bath.
This thing's got ice cream paint job.
Oh, it's got an ice cream paint job. It's 100% got an ice cream paint job.
What's a hunk of bunk?
What's a hunk of bunk? You ain't from Texas, are you? People from Texas will know what that is. Okay, so 60K BTU tankless water heater, high-rise porcelain bowl with the foot flush, and pressed surface countertop with the undermounted sink for my vanity. Tons of storage space right here, and huge backlit vanity mirror. The thing that I like about this is the space and the height. I got the nice fan up top to move the air out. Plus they gave me a ductwork in my half bath too. So if you need to spend some time in here, it won't be a hot box in here, and then you step out to that nice chilly.
Need to spend time in here.
Once again, you ain't from Texas, are you? Have you ever eaten barbecue from like Moe's or Franklin's or Ironworks, anything?
I'm a vegetarian.
You're a vegetarian? We're not friends anymore, Ryan. I love you, though. Framed out windows, too, and this isn't plastic. This is wood. So what I like about what the Mesquite did was they gave you a residential-style coach, a luxury appointed, but it's entry-level, especially when you're talking about the price point. Really big fan of what they did there. Now, right here are my controls. So you got your lights, you can run out your slides. You do have trip slides on this. And you got a 70-gallon fresh tank on this one for a couples coach. That's great. 156-gallon gray and 104-gallon black tank. And to me, that back area was extremely impressive. But it's not even my favorite part. This is king-size bed in its own slide with a CPAP shelf. Strut-supported storage underneath. Good grief. That thing went up. Okay. I didn't know it was going to go that high. I mean, we are talking about Texas, so it kind of makes sense. I got the decorative curtain balances there, the blackout shades. And this is one of those CPAP-ready shelves, like I mentioned. What's cool about it is you have the power underneath the wood thing there. So you can just plug your cell phone in or run the cord through the hole without having to have your CPAP machine all over the place or your cell phone. TV backer, cable connection, power, another window, third AC, which is also remote control. That's cool, but come on, I got to show you my favorite part. Come on. Come on. Look. Front storage. This is a front bath fifth wheel. Now, sure, it says HBRK for having a half bath rear kitchen, but your front bedroom with the front bathroom and the front storage, massive. Love the double vanity. More storage, another high-rise porcelain bowl with the foot flush. And in my shower, I got the oversized upgraded head, the little spot for my soap, corner notches. And we are in a full pro, so I'm going to have plenty of headroom up here. Max vent to move my hot air out of here. And the storage that I have inside this front closet, my goodness. I got hanger bar there, hanger bar there, hanger bar here, hanger bar there. Storage shelf, chest of drawers, washer dryer prep, linen storage. This is home. This is home. Yeah, Ryan's shaking his head like, come on, babe. Look, this is home. This is your home away from home. And the fact that it has all those features, 3-inch thick sidewalls, sound dampening, as well as temperature control. That, in my opinion, I'm being straight up honest with you here, that's phenomenal. A lot of places don't do that. You'll see it on some like destination RVs, but having it in a fifth wheel in this price point is rare. Having 3-inch thick sidewalls with trip ACs probably doesn't happen, in my opinion. If you can find it, leave me a comment down below and let me know, especially if it's in this price point. So, with that said, I know we got a little thing that we talked about on the inside, so I probably should have a little thing I should talk about on the outside. So let's go do that now. So here we are on the outside of the all-new Forest River Mesquite. This is the 3850 HBRK. 42 feet, 9 inches, 13,729 pounds dry. Let's start right up front. So I got this molded front cap. Love the running lights, the aggressive profile, which is going to help with that wind resistance while going down the road. It won't be as bad, as is this Lippert Rhino Box fifth wheel hitch. The thing I really like about this is the turning radius that it has on it and the awesome absorption. So when you're going down the road, you won't have a lot of that chucking and bucking. Underneath, you'll see we do have the standard storage box right here. Got the light, battery box is right there. Part of my 6-point automatic leveling on this puppy. Come around to the campsite. You'll see we got 30 pounds of LP there, 30 pounds of LP on the other side. You're also set up for the Furion side vision. When you're talking about safety features, this is one of the things I really like what Forest River did. Not only did they give me that, they gave me band tire pressure monitoring on my 14-ply G-rated tires. Now, these are also on the Lippert axles. I like the blackout rims, and it has ABS as well. Fantastic when you're talking about safety. The other thing, I know I've mentioned it umpteen billion times, 3-inch thick sidewalls, man. Having that foam insulation is really going to help with the noise dampening and the temperature control. Extra large awning LED light. We got the argon gas filled dual pane windows with the 80% tint, safety sealed all the way around. My anti-slam luggage doors for my garage storage that we have here. Well, I guess technically it's basement. Remember what I was saying about the ice maker and how mine and my fridge didn't work? Bam, I'm actually stealing this before we leave. Battery disconnect right there. Rotocast storage on the bottom lip here. What I really like about this is if I'm coming back from the beach or I got something dirty, I can put it right here versus on my finished off flooring, which is in my pass-through storage. Now, this is also the Congolium flooring. So very nice, upgraded, slip resistant, easy to clean. Plus it's rubber back. So it's gonna move and flex with you. Unlike the 12-inch super reinforced frame that we have on this bad boy. Bigger outriggers, super sturdy. And when we get around to the info panel on the side, the thing that confuses me the most, how are they able to get a 3-inch thick sidewall, 12-inch frame, 3 slides on a coach that's not even 13,800 pounds dry at 42 feet, almost 43 feet. That's huge. Solid step over steps leading me into the entry point. You'll see you're set up for the observation camera there. Laminated sides on my slides too. Very nice. It's not just hung, it's laminated. Boom. Got the gorgeous wheels, the gorgeous lights. I'm even a fan because, okay, I'm gonna be honest with you, pecan is actually my favorite wood to smoke with now, but big fan of mesquite too. Don't get me wrong. LP Quick Connect, so if you want to do some camp cooking, you absolutely can. Hitch on the back, the 2-inch receiver, so you got the 300-pound load or the 3,000-pound tow capacity on that. Backup camera prep too. 50-amp plug, running 3 ACs. Oh yeah, they did it right with that Furion Chill Cube. Big time fan of that boy. Now watch your head when you're coming under the slide to take a look at your external command system, which is lockable and also has the port for your connections. Black tank flush. I got my fresh tank fill, all my controls, and an external shower with hot and cold. That's going to be your pull access for your gray tank. Pretty sweet, right? So even thinking about the aesthetic, they didn't just leave a handle hanging right there. They actually gave you something that is pretty nice to see. Other side of my pass-through storage, back of my 60K BTU tankless water heater, and of course, my leveling controls and other 30-pound tank. This coach is built for you if you want luxury appointments, control the heat, and phenomenal insulation. If you're saying, Chris, we love hot weather camping, don't think it's a 4-season coach because there's no forced heat on that enclosed underbelly, but you do have the accessibility. But for hot climates, This is 100% going to be my pick all day. Tell me what you think. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And always like, subscribe, and notify if you picked up anything out of this video or if you can help me fix my ice maker at home. This is the Forest River Mesquite. This is the 3850 HBRK.